Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. I'm back with another video. Yes, sir, today. Got another video, man. It's informational video, know what I'm saying? Another informational video. I'm teaching y'all, you know what I'm saying, how to sell shoes on GOAT. I feel like it's the best dinners, best selling site, app you can say. I feel like on the market for, like, you know what I'm saying, sneakerheads. I don't think StockX is really the best route. I don't think it never was, but we're gonna talk about that. Let's get into this video. Yeah, man, like and subscribe if you're new. Roll to 500 subscribers, man. Roll to 500 subscribers. I'm halfway there. But I'm doing a little giveaway, man. 250 by the end of this month. I'll pick two, maybe three. Two of my subscribers get a $50 cash out. $50 cash out, free money. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. It's free money. And then roll to 500 subscribers, that's free money too. You hit the subscribe button, you might get some free kicks. I'm picking 3 or 5 of my subscribers to get some free kicks. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. That's all you gotta do. It's for free. Join the JR1 family. Hit that push notification bell on your for your boy for alerts, updates, releases, everything. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I'm saying JR1, and on Twitter, JR1. Let's get to it. Literally, I'm at the UPS store. That's crazy. I'm literally at the UPS store right now, dropping off some Jordan 1s. So I'm gonna show y'all right quick. You know what I'm saying? I love Jordan 1s, man. It's a size 5. I love me some Jordan 1s, man. Love them. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know these Roayl toes. I got these beauties off sneakers, but luckily, man, I was off, man, on what's that, Monday. I was off on Monday. You know what I'm saying? I was going around looking for, you know what I'm saying, just looking around at shoes, you know what I'm saying? Something I love doing on off day sometimes. Work out, look at some shoes. Luckily, man, they had a restock. Champs had a restock on them Jordan 1 Game Royals. I didn't want to get too greedy. That's just me. I'm not the type of person to get too greedy in multiple sizes. Because I've been knowing, you know what I'm saying, you talk to people in there, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to get too greedy, you know what I'm saying. You know how you know people in there, but you don't want to get too greedy, ask for like multiple sizes. So I was like, man, let me get that. Can I get one size? I ain't care what size for real. He said, you can have a size 5. I said, oh yeah, for sure. Appreciate you, you know what I'm saying. He look out for me, I look out for them. Always show love to me, for sure. But the reason I'm making this video, because a lot of people don't know how to sell shoes or what's the best app to use. So right now I'm gonna tell y'all what's the best app to use. Ready? Download GOAT. Link down in the description. Go ahead and download GOAT, man. GOAT is the best way to sell shoes. You get your money. You know, it might take a little minute to get your money if you got patience for it. I got patience to get my money. A lot of people they ain't got really patience for it. So that's why people go to StockX. One thing about GOAT though, when you first start selling shoes, you gotta take pictures and all that. But if your selling rate go up, you ain't gotta worry about taking no more pictures. So all you gotta do is, you know what I'm saying, sell it. But you get it for a good price. I sold them Jordan Game Royals for $320 on GOAT. Well, on StockX, I'm selling mine for what, $280, and I'm only getting $260 back. I went on GOAT, I'm then getting $290. So that's $30 then StockX taken from you. So it's like, it's a win-win situation. I heard bad things about StockX because I bought a couple shoes off StockX, sold a couple shoes on StockX. It's actually a good app, good company. It's just GOAT. It's the best way to go. And go sell your shoes super quick. But the thing about StockX though, people don't really know. You down there selling your shoes sap, and you getting that money sap. GOAT, you gotta be, like I said, GOAT, you gotta be patient. Trust me, you have to be patient. Trust me, you have to be patient. And it's crazy, just now I got an alert. I just sold another shoe on GOAT just now. That's crazy. Told you, GOAT, be on it. StockX, you selling the shoe, but at the same time, GOAT, you getting your money's worth. You really getting your money's worth on the market for the shoe. StockX don't give you the money worth on the shoe on the market. Trust me, I promise you, it don't. So your best route is to download GOAT and start selling shoes. If you ask me what's like the best way to sell shoes, Jordan 1s, mid, lows, the most popular, smaller sizes. Trust me, smaller size and Jordan 1s will sell. Trust and believe me, that's the most trending shoe ever. Since I've been, you know what I'm saying, since I've been then and got in the shoe game myself. Jordan 1s will sell. They never sit. You go to the shoe store right now, today. Go in the shoe store today. Jordan 1s do not sit. Them things be moving, man. Trust me, them things be moving. So trust me, go ahead, sell it. Go ahead, download GOAT. Trust me. Go ahead, you know what I'm saying? JR1 sent you that. Trust me. My bro Zell got me hip to selling on GOAT. Now ever since then, I'm addicted to it. I'm just been buying shoes. I've been looking up on GOAT, and it's crazy. You do this right now. No, don't do it right now. Finish watching this video. But after this video, You download StockX if you didn't. Go ahead, download Go if you didn't. Make an account and just see. Like, look at these Royal toes, for example. And look at the different prices. You'll see. Like, it's a whole complete difference to the pricing. Trust me. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. If you want your money's worth, download Go. I'm not even sponsored by Go. I'm just saying download Go, trying to help y'all make some money, because I'm trying to make money just like everybody else. But download Go, man. Trust me. Trust and believe me. Make sure that post notification bell is on. Like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. Roll to 500 subscribers, man. Pick 3 or 5 of my subscribers, get some free kicks. Roll to 500 subscribers and pick 3 or 5 of my subscribers, get some free kicks. 250 subscribers by the end of this month. 2 or 3 of my subscribers gonna get a $50 cash out. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. It's free. It's free. Same way everybody asks about this Kroger Plus card. All you gotta do is sign up. It's free. Same way you guys hit the subscribe button. All you gotta do is hit subscribe, like this video, stay alert. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I appreciate the love and support everybody getting. Subscribers going up. I appreciate y'all joining the JR1 family. Every time you leave a comment, I always comment showing love. You know what I'm saying? Positive, negative. You know what I'm saying? Again, come on, join the JR1 family. If you subscribe, welcome to the JR1 family. But yeah, man, that is it for this video. Like and subscribe if you're new. JR1 is out. Peace.